Hi, my name is Caroline Link and I am the director of the movie When Hitler Stole Pink Rabbit.
Blöd, dass ich den Hund mitgenommen habe. Ich vermisse mein Kaninchen.
We had to read the book in school, and I must say I was a little bit afraid of the book. I thought, oh, another story of the Second World War, another depressing story of a family who loses everything. I was so relieved that the book was not only an adventurous story, but even had some optimism in it. So many years later, some film producers came to me and asked me, Caroline, do you know the book When Hitler Stole Pink Rabbit? And I said, yes, I do. I read it when I was 11 years old. And so they said, what do you think? Would you like to make a movie out of it?
Das sah gar nicht gut aus. Ich glaube, die Mama hat geweint.
Du bist eine sehr dramatische kleine Person.
When Hitler Stole Pink Rabbit is not only a story about the Second World War, about refugees, Jewish refugees who try to escape the Nazis. It is also a story about what it means to be a refugee as a child.
Es ist ja nichts auswechselnd zu sein.
Doch, aber ich finde es auch ganz interessant.
And I think what the parents of Anna did very well is try to explain the situation in a positive way to the children. Yes, they had very, very tough times. Yes, they didn't have a lot of money. But at the same time, they told their children, see the opportunities of being able to learn new languages, to meet new people, to meet new cultures. So Judith Kerr, as a little girl, I think she and her brother made the best out of the situation they were in.
Das ist Anna aus Deutschland, der Flüchtling. Sie geht jetzt mit uns in Klas.
Ja, herzlich willkommen, Anna.
I hope you like the movie. I think it can teach empathy, the story of Judith Kerr, who was so brave together with her family to get through that difficult time. I hope you talk with your teacher and your friends about the story. And maybe when you meet refugees in your country, in your street, you think about Anna and her brother and you offer them a hand and you offer them help so that they can find a new home somewhere away from home. I think that is what makes that story so timeless and so important today. All the best from Munich and enjoy the movie.